customers' houses, we just installed an alarm security system for them. Now we're going to be doing some ductwork cleaning for them as they requested. So let's go get some footage of that ductwork cleaning. Alright, so cleaned that vent. We cleaned that one. We cleaned up there in that return. And then those two bottom ones on the floor. Cleaned that register. Ducts. There's one in this little bathroom. Cleaned that one. Cleaned that one up there. There's one behind the bathtub. This one in that corner. And we cleaned that one up there. Cleaned the main trunk line and return upstairs. Cleaned that return. We cleaned that one in that bathroom. And then there's another one in this bathroom. And those two. That return, that return. We cleaned up our mess up here. There's one in this bathroom we cleaned. I just gotta grab my drill. We cleaned this return up, the supply, that and that. We cleaned that. There's 4 in this room. And now we gotta go clean downstairs. Alright guys, so we're almost done doing the duct cleaning on the base, on the first floor. We completed second floor, completed ducts in the attic. We got our air whip hooked up. We got our double filtration HEPA vacuum. Sucks out all the dust very good. And then we did this one. We did those. There's one in that room. I couldn't keep my regular shirt on. We did that one. We did those. We did that. We did this one. The customer told me that I could cut these wires out. They were coming out of the boot from the past owners of this house. They whoever ran this cable that's not hooked up to anything anymore, they ran it just through that bolt and kept that grill off. Yep, all of downstairs is pretty much done. Just gotta do the one that I'm working on right now. And this one over here. And then we're gonna see about we're gonna go clean out the dust that we could get out of the main trunk line. But that's it, guys. Alright guys, so we got that ductwork all cleaned out for them. What we use for our equipment, we use a double filtration HEPA vacuum. It's a dust extraction vacuum, specifically designed to remove the smallest amount of dust. We use a series of other tools such as air whips, reverse ball whips. We use brushes, specialty brushes. But if you are in the Bucks County or surrounding area and need some ductwork cleaned, you need anything done as far as handyman services go, or you need help with your heating or air conditioning equipment, give us a phone call, 908-476-8921. Precise Comfort Services. Take care, guys.